Are you using NetSuite for your business accounting? While it's one of the best ERP tools out there, even small mistakes can lead to big accounting inconsistencies. In this video, we'll uncover the top 6 NetSuite mistakes that can ruin your accounting and, most importantly, how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Ignoring system customizations. NetSuite is highly customizable, but many businesses fail to tailor it to their specific needs. Default settings might work initially, but they can cause inaccuracies in financial reporting as your business grows. If you want to avoid this, work with your team or a NetSuite expert to customize fields, workflows, and permissions that align with your unique accounting requirements. Mistake number 2. Not reconciling bank accounts regularly. This may seem basic, but delayed or missed reconciliations can create discrepancies between your NetSuite records and actual bank balances. To avoid this mistake, scheduling monthly reconciliations and using NetSuite's built-in bank reconciliation tools to streamline the process. Mistake number 3. Poor data import practices. Importing data from external systems without proper formatting or validation can lead to duplicate entries, missing transactions, or even data corruption. Pro tip: before importing, always clean and validate your data. Use templates provided by NetSuite to ensure compatibility and reduce errors. Mistake number 4. Lack of role-based permissions. Giving employees unnecessary access to financial data or critical settings can lead to accidental or intentional errors. Fix this, configure role-based permissions in NetSuite. Ensure that users only have access to the data and functions they need for their roles. Mistake number 5. Ignoring system updates. NetSuite regularly releases updates to enhance functionality and security. Skipping these updates can leave your system vulnerable and cause compatibility issues. What to do? Enable automatic updates or assign someone to review and implement updates promptly. This keeps your system running smoothly. And finally, mistake number 6. Neglecting employee training. NetSuite is a powerful tool, but it's only as effective as the people using it. And the solution is, provide comprehensive training for your team. Regularly update their skills with NetSuite's new features and best practices to minimize errors. Avoiding these 6 mistakes can save you countless hours and headaches while keeping your accounting accurate and reliable. Avoiding these 6 mistakes can save you countless hours and headaches while keeping your accounting accurate and reliable. If you found this video helpful, follow us. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more accounting and ERP insights. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.